Hey, what's going on, everybody? This is Paulio Jr. And I'm hoping that this is the last time that I have to record this because I have recorded it maybe 6 or 7 times and then it keeps getting demonetized. Let's see what we can do here. What I'm going to show you today is extremely simple, and it's basically just having the capability of sending and receiving text messages from your actual Android phone number um, on your computer. So it doesn't matter what if you're using a PC, a Mac, having a Linux operating system. It doesn't matter as long as you have a web browser. So if it Chrome, whether it be Chrome, Firefox, Safari, Edge, it doesn't matter. Uh, as long as you have a web browser, you have this capability. And like I said, this is from your personal Android phone number. So really cool how this is. It's extremely easy as well. So what's in front of us right now is a screenshot of my phone in the Messages app. I obviously had to delete everybody out of there, so I didn't have to blur anything out. But once you're in the Messages app, you're going to click these three vertical dots right here, and then this little list pops up. You click Messages for Web, and then you go to the last screen after you click that. And on your phone, it's going to say go to messages.android.com and then scan the QR code right there. And that's what we're going to do. So once you go to messages.android.com, you will be prompted to scan the QR code. So just to show you, that's where I'm at right now. I'm going to plug my charger back in. And I'm going to click scan QR code. And we're going to go, boom, right into it. So like I said before, as you can see, I just have what was called my Knox Player Talkatone. So that's my virtual Android emulator. But I actually just put it on my phone to avoid any lag on the computer. So when I click on this contact, and it can be any person whatsoever, um, and any text messages right now that if somebody were to text me right now, it would come right into this conversation list on the side and so forth. And this was just me texting myself basically. So I have the my other number up and running. So let's just test it and make sure. Uh, okay. So let's go to all right, another test. And let's make sure that actually. So if you just heard that, that is actually my other number, and it's just saying test, as you hopefully can see there. And then, so now I'm going to text back. Okay, cool. Hope this is the last video. And send that. So I'm going to send it to my phone. And so we're just going to wait in the web browser. And hopefully it'll come through any second. That's the hope. Come on. If it did send. Come on. Don't keep them waiting. Don't keep the audience waiting. There we go. So, okay, cool. Hope this is the last video. And it comes in right there. And typically, if I am out, if I'm not in the conversation, then I will actually have, you actually get a little notification down here that says that you did receive a text message. And you can do everything else. So you can send links through, like any YouTube link through here, emojis, stickers, any attachments that you may have on the computer, and everything will go through perfectly fine. So uh, there's definitely not an issue there. Uh, I'm not sure if I did mention this, but you don't have to be connected to Wi-Fi on your actual phone for this to work, and you can actually have as many devices connected to this as you want. So you could have it like I have on my home computer, and then I could actually have it on my laptop. I could have it on another device. As long as I'm in a web browser where I can scan that QR code, then I'm perfectly fine. So yeah, it's pretty cool, very simple, and yeah, that's really it. Just wanted to give you, there you go, there's my little notification. And then you will also see the uh, you will also see the actual messages on your phone as well. So when you are going, even if you're going through this, they will sync with each other. So I can see everything that we're looking at on this page is on my phone, everything. So, and whether it be even, I'll scroll up a little bit. I think I had a picture earlier to just test. Yeah. And then you can see right here, that picture is right there. So I guess it's more convenient if you are more of a, if you do like that standalone, like I like being at my desk and doing everything on my computer. So it's very beneficial if you don't feel like going back and forth to your phone, and you are getting continuous uh, text messages and so forth. So you could just leave this open. You don't even have to, and you'll at least get a notification that you have received a text message. It doesn't matter what web browser you're using. You'll get a little notification where I'm putting my mouse in the bottom right hand corner of the actual browser saying, hey, you have a text message. And then you can just respond very easily. Very easily. Okay. All right. I didn't swear. I got my point across. We made it short, sweet, and simple. And yeah. So now I'm going to show you on the actual phone. When you go back to that messages for web, you'll see it'll actually tell you the computers that you are signed into. You can see that. Right? So, and then I actually have, so on any device that I'm signed into, I can sign out. So right now what I'm going to do is click sign out all computers. And then we should see this screen close out altogether. And yep, sign out of all computers, sign out. And let's see that, boom, gone. So that's really as simple as it gets. Android made it extremely easy to do this. So, and it's just called Android Messages, and it's pretty standard on any Android phone. So this was my family-friendly video of just being instructional. So yeah, I hope this one gets monetized. So we'll see what happens. Thank you very much for watching, and I will see you in the next one. Peace.